Here in this program we will assume that the values of the array are already given to us. So this is a way to define and initialize an array. See, there is an array and I am assuming that it has 5 elements. These are the values of the array. And obviously this 1 will be assigned to array 0 index location. This 2 will be assigned to array 1 index location, and so on. You can have any values, 65, 82, whatever. Just to make the program simple, I am taking this sequence values, and obviously they will be assigned to the index location from 0 till 4. Okay. This is ensuring that at array 0 is the first value. This print statement will display first value is the first value at array 0 index location. This print statement is telling you how to get the final value of the array. See, last value in the array is this %d will get you the value of this first variable. See, len array is 5. If you try displaying array 5th location, you will get an error array out of bound index location, because when you define an array of 5 elements, the highest index location is array 4 only. Got it? So you have to do len array which is 5 minus 1, because the last element is at array 4 index location itself. Okay. This %d will get you the value of this array 4 index location, which is nothing but the last location. Array minus 1 means what? Python also tells you that array minus 1 is nothing but the location of the last array element. Like here, array 4 is the last array element, array 3 is second last array element. Similarly, Python tells you that array minus 1 is the last array element, array minus 2 is the second last array element, array minus 3 is third last array element, and so on. So this is what I wanted to tell you, that by writing array minus 1 you will get the last array element. Okay.